Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'll be showing you how to turn on two-factor authentication on Facebook. This is very simple to do, so let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you want to do is open up the Facebook app. You then want to click on the three lines in the bottom right corner, and then you want to go to your settings. You can do this by clicking the gear icon at the very top, or scrolling down a little bit to see settings and privacy, and then clicking on settings. Once you're at this page, you will see password and security. You want to go ahead and click on that. From here, you can see two-factor authentication at the very bottom of the screen. You want to go ahead and click that. Once you're here, it'll give you three different options. The first one being an authentication app, which is recommended by Facebook, and you use an app like Google Authenticator to generate verification codes. The second option is text message or SMS. You'll get a text message with a verification code. However, phone numbers used for two-factor authentication cannot be used to reset password whenever it's on. The last option is a security key. You can use a physical security key to protect your account. Therefore, you won't need a code for this option. So click one of these and click continue. Whichever one you pick, you'll get the code and you'll have to put it into Facebook, and you should have two-factor authentication on. So I hope this video helps, and if it did, please make sure to like and subscribe. It helps out the channel a lot, and I will see you